4 powerful foods to prevent muscle loss after 60, eat before sleep. Do you ever wake up feeling heavy, your steps a bit slower, or your arms weaker even without pain? These are signs of sarcopenia, the natural loss of muscle mass and strength as we age. But don't mistake this for an unavoidable fate. Sarcopenia isn't just about age, it's also influenced by how we care for our bodies. Interestingly, the most crucial time for muscle recovery and regeneration isn't during the day, but when you're in a deep sleep. While you're dreaming, your body works like a professional repair shop, cleaning up damage, synthesizing new proteins, and strengthening every muscle fiber. This amazing process can only happen effectively if your body is supplied with the right building blocks. During the day, your body is busy with countless activities, constantly expending energy and nutrients. But when night falls, all systems shift into rest mode, focusing on recovery and regeneration. This is when growth hormones are released, cellular repair ramps up, and your muscles get a chance to recharge and rebuild from scratch. If you ignore this vital period and fail to provide enough building blocks, your body will struggle to fully recover. This leads to a gradual weakening of muscles, even if you exercise regularly. Therefore, choosing appropriate, easily digestible, and nutrient-rich foods to eat before bed not only helps you get a deeper sleep but also serves as a smart strategy to prevent muscle loss, restore strength, and wake up feeling more confident in your body. It's not a heavy meal, but a quiet tonic that empowers your body to work most effectively while you dream. Don't let age rob you of your strength. Alright, let's dive in. We're about to explore 4 powerful foods you can eat before bed to help your muscles recover while you sleep. 1. Kiwi, the quiet champion of nighttime strength and recovery. The humble kiwi, with its fuzzy brown skin and vibrant green flesh, isn't just a refreshing snack, it's a silent hero for your sleep and muscle recovery, especially when enjoyed at night. Remarkable benefits of kiwi. A natural source of melatonin and antioxidants, kiwi is one of the few fruits that naturally contains melatonin, the hormone that signals to your brain it's time to sleep. Furthermore, it's an excellent source of antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin A. As we age, our muscles become more susceptible to inflammation and oxidative damage from the environment, leading to soreness, stiffness, and a general feeling of being slowed down. These antioxidants help to eradicate that damage, allowing your muscle cells to focus on recovery rather than repair. Improve sleep quality and duration. Research indicates that eating kiwis before bed can significantly enhance both the quality and length of your sleep, particularly in older adults. It's during the more restful and deeper stages of sleep that your body is best able to repair its muscles, restore worn-out tissues, normalize hormones, and regenerate strength. Kiwi helps unlock that doorway. A 2016 study in Nutrients found that eating 2 kiwis 1 hour before bed improved sleep quality and duration in older adults by 13 to 15%. Better sleep means deeper restorative stages, where muscle repair peaks. How to enjoy kiwi. Peel and eat 2 ripe kiwis about 1 hour before bed, savoring them slowly to signal relaxation. Blend them into a light smoothie with almond milk or pair with a spoonful of cottage cheese for a protein boost. If fruit acids cause discomfort, start with 1 kiwi and consult your doctor if you have digestive issues. 2 eggs, the superfood for nighttime muscle support. When we think of eggs, our minds often jump to breakfast. However, surprisingly, consuming an egg before bed can offer remarkable benefits for your body, especially if you're over 60 and aim to maintain your strength, balance, and muscle tone while you sleep. Where does the power of eggs come from? Complete protein source rich in leucine, the effectiveness of eggs isn't solely due to their high protein content, it's also because they contain all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to grow and repair themselves. Nutritionists refer to this as a complete protein. Notably, eggs are particularly rich in leucine, a crucial amino acid responsible for stimulating muscle protein synthesis. When you eat eggs, your body receives a clear signal that it's time to repair. Supports overnight muscle regeneration in older adults. As we age, our bodies become less sensitive to even small amounts of protein. A 25-year-old might build muscle from a tiny portion of chicken, but those over 60 typically require a somewhat higher quantity of high-quality protein, especially leucine-rich protein, to achieve the same benefits. This is where eggs truly shine. A single large egg contains approximately 6 grams of protein and 500 to 600 milligrams of leucine, an amount sufficient to contribute significantly to overnight muscle tissue regeneration. Provides essential vitamin D and choline. Eggs are also a source of vitamin D, a nutrient many older adults are deficient in, particularly those who don't spend much time in the sun. Vitamin D isn't just about bones, it plays a significant role in muscle function and coordination. Combine this with the choline found in eggs, a nutrient that supports brain and nerve function, and you have a food that helps your body move and respond with more ease and confidence. A 2021 meta-analysis in Circulation debunked old myths, showing that one egg daily doesn't increase heart disease risk for most people and may boost HDL, good cholesterol. What about cholesterol? You might be wondering about cholesterol, especially given eggs' past reputation. However, the latest scientific research reveals that for most people, consuming eggs in moderation, around 1 egg per day, does not increase the risk of heart disease. In fact, some studies suggest that eggs can actually enhance your cholesterol profile by increasing HDL, the good cholesterol. Unless your physician has specifically advised you to avoid them, eggs can be a very safe and valuable component of your diet. Best way to enjoy eggs. How you prepare your eggs is also important. Eggs cooked gently, such as poached, soft-boiled, or simply scrambled in olive oil, are beneficial for digestion and preserve more of their nutrients. Avoid frying them in excessive butter or adding too much salt, as these can irritate your stomach and raise your blood pressure. A soft egg is also one of the easiest proteins to consume, making it a good choice for people who have difficulty chewing. 3 pumpkin seeds, hidden power for sleep and muscles. Those tiny pumpkin seeds, often known as pepitas or simply pumpkin seeds, might be overlooked in your pantry, but don't let their humble appearance fool you. They're one of the most underrated foods when it comes to your muscles' overnight recovery, your sleep, and your overall well-being. The mighty benefits of pumpkin seeds. Rich in magnesium and tryptophan, pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of magnesium. Just a small handful, about 1 ounce, can provide you with approximately 37% of your daily magnesium requirement. Magnesium is a vital mineral that helps your muscles relax. Without sufficient amounts, your muscles can remain partially tense even while you sleep, leading to that painful feeling upon waking. Furthermore, pumpkin seeds also contain tryptophan, an amino acid your body processes into serotonin and subsequently into melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep. The combination of tryptophan and magnesium delivers a powerful 1-2 punch for better, deeper sleep. Plant-based protein and healthy fats. Let's not forget that pumpkin seeds are a good source of plant-based protein, with approximately 7 grams of protein per ounce, and they also include beneficial fats that aid slow digestion. This means that instead of a sudden surge and subsequent drop in amino acid levels, your body will experience a gradual and consistent release of amino acids throughout the night. This is incredibly important for aging muscles, helping them to heal and grow stronger. Supports overall health. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in zinc, a mineral beneficial for cell repair, bolstering the immune system, and even maintaining hormonal balance. This is particularly significant for men over 60 who wish to keep their testosterone levels in a healthy range, as testosterone levels are directly related to muscle mass. All these benefits from one tiny seed. How to best enjoy pumpkin seeds. When it comes to consuming pumpkin seeds in the evening, definitely keep it to a minimum. A tablespoon or two is more than sufficient. You can eat them in their natural state, or if you want to boost your protein intake, sprinkle them over a little plain Greek yogurt. Some people like to warm them up slightly in a skillet to bring out their nutty flavor, but this isn't necessary. Most importantly, do not add any salt to them, especially if you're trying to control hypertension, as sodium late at night isn't beneficial for your blood pressure regulation. Pumpkin seeds are also relatively high in calories, so be careful not to consume them by the handful, especially in the late hours of the night. Instead of thinking of them as a regular snack, consider them a nocturnal tonic that will help your muscles along with your sleep. 4. Cottage cheese, the overnight muscle savior. Cottage cheese may not be as vibrant as fruit or as crunchy as seeds, but it's arguably one of the most potent foods for rebuilding muscles that time has eroded, all while you're sound asleep. Don't let its seemingly lumpy texture mislead you. This is truly a muscle-building powerhouse, especially when consumed before bed and particularly after the age of 60. Why is cottage cheese so powerful? Contains casein, a slow-digesting protein. Within cottage cheese, there's a specific type of protein called casein. Unlike the protein found in fish, poultry, or even eggs, casein is digested very slowly. This means your body doesn't consume it immediately. Instead, it gradually and continuously releases amino acids over several hours, ensuring your muscles remain gently nourished throughout the entire night. Prevents muscle breakdown during sleep. How important is this? As you sleep, your body goes into repair mode. If there aren't enough amino acids in your bloodstream, which are the building blocks of muscle, your body might start breaking down muscle to fuel other activities. That's the last thing you want, especially if you're already grappling with age-related muscle loss. Cottage cheese provides a steady stream of those amino acids throughout the night. Rich in leucine and blood sugar stabilizing, cottage cheese also contains a significant amount of leucine, the same muscle growth stimulating amino acid we discussed with eggs. However, cottage cheese delivers this amino acid over a longer period. If eggs are a quick way to get things moving, cottage cheese provides a calm, steady hand that holds you through the night. Furthermore, the low-fat variety of cottage cheese, in particular, has a naturally low carbohydrate content. It won't cause an insulin spike or a midnight blood sugar crash. The protein in cottage cheese can even help regulate blood sugar levels overnight for people with diabetes or prediabetes. How to best enjoy cottage cheese. Enjoying cottage cheese is simple. Have a few spoonfuls of low-fat cottage cheese, or 1% fat to limit saturated fat, approximately 30 minutes before bed. It won't feel heavy on your stomach or cause your blood sugar to spike. You can enjoy it plain, or you might add a few slices of banana or a tablespoon of cinnamon for flavor. If you have any leftover kiwi, it's also a wonderful combination. The key is to keep it light and uncomplicated. Remember, this isn't a full meal but rather a signal to your body, take your time. Make repairs while I'm sleeping. Just 1 tablespoon can make a difference. There's no elaborate preparation, no cooking, and no stress involved. You simply open the container, grab a spoon, and start nourishing your body quietly and thoughtfully. Your nightly ritual for strength. Tonight, as you prepare for bed, imagine your body as a workshop, quietly rebuilding itself while you dream. With a kiwi, an egg, a handful of pumpkin seeds, or a spoonful of cottage cheese, you're supplying the tools for that repair. You're not just eating, you're sending a message: I'm still here, still strong, and still capable. Aging is inevitable, but weakness is not. Start with one small change tonight, and wake up to a stronger, more vibrant you. Share your journey in the comments. What food will you try first? Your story could inspire someone else to take that first step. Here's to stronger mornings and a life well lived.